Harnessing modal verbs, making sense of tenses. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English learning series. In today's video, we're venturing into a very important aspect of English grammar: modal verbs in different tenses. By mastering this, you'll be able to express certainty, uncertainty, and likelihood more accurately and naturally in your conversations. Before we dive into the usage of modal verbs in different tenses, let's refresh our knowledge on what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are a type of helper verb that add more context to the main verb of a sentence. They express things like necessity, possibility, or ability. Some common modal verbs include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must. Modal verbs in the present tense help express actions that are currently possible, necessary, or probable. For example, can, I can swim. Ability, may, you may leave now. Permission, must, we must study for the test. Necessity, remember, unlike regular verbs, modal verbs do not change to match the subject. We don't say, he can swim. Modal verbs in the past tense express actions that were possible or necessary in the past. To do this, we often use the past form of modal verbs. Examples include could, I could swim when I was a child. Ability in the past, might, they said they might come to the party. Uncertain possibility, should have, you should have seen that movie. Unfulfilled recommendation. Modal verbs in the future tense describe actions that are possible, necessary, or likely in the future. Examples include will, I will go to the party tomorrow. Future decision, should, we should arrive in an hour. Expectation, might, they might come to the party next week. Uncertain possibility. Modal verbs in continuous tenses might seem tricky, but don't fret. Here are some examples. Can be doing, she can be doing her homework right now. Present continuous possibility, could have been doing, he could have been sleeping when you called. Past continuous possibility. And there you have it. I hope this guide helps to clarify how to use modal verbs in different tenses. As you can see, the right modal verb can truly refine the meaning of your sentence, adding that extra layer of context or intention. Practice using these in your daily conversations and soon, they'll become second nature to you. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. See you in our next video. Happy learning!